even understand. She just suddenly started saying, give me my child, like she was going mental. I think she's running mad.
She talked about a certain woman being here. Who was that?
Nobody. It was just the woman that supplies us fish. Baby, I think she's going mad. Let's take her to the hospital. Let's take her to the psychiatric home. In fact, baby, call your doctor. He knows what to do. Call your doctor.
That's okay. Let us stay there for now. Where's my son?
He's upstairs. He's in the room. He's sleeping.
Your sister, Ngozi. Hey, Ngozi. Wake up. Ngozi. Go. Ngozi. Look at blood now. Help me. Ngozi. Let's carry on. Ngozi. No. Ngozi.
Give me my baby, I will not go anywhere.
You have been jumping.
What is happening now? What is happening to you? Eh? What is happening? It's my baby. Can you stop it? No! Ella, Neodira was here. She stood here. I heard her telling madam that she had taken the baby from me and lied to me the baby was a stillbirth and sold the baby to her. I heard her. What is going on? I will not go.
Ella, right?
Yes, sir.
Please bundle this girl out of my house before I do something nasty right now.
See? Okay, sir. I'm not going anywhere. Let's go now. They must give me my child.
Bundle her out of my house right now.
Okay, no. Sir. Yes, sir. We'll come back. No. Ella. Oh. You have stolen my child. No.
Bundle her out of this house.
Take her out of here. What is your work? No. No. I'm begging you. Give me my baby. I cannot talk to you. Hey. Stop now. Hey. No. You have stolen my baby in this house. I cannot talk to you.
Don't worry, we'll get your baby. I will handle her.
Give me my baby. Hey.
Don't worry, we'll give you your baby. Yeah? Okay, don't worry, I'm here.
Oh, God.
Idiot.
Baby, these people are stressing me. They're stressing me.
Looking for a home to destroy.
My child! You want to take my child?
Home destroyers.
Wicked! Wicked!
Hi.
Ha!
I want her. I want her.
If I had known, Osta would have married. My only sister. I should have been married.
A girl in your mind.
Mama. I want to see my sister again.
I want her. Yes. Now. You are always shouting, warning her. Everybody knows that.
Hey! Hey!
All these things that she has.
And I heard that this is not her first time of having an abortion. Mama,
What kind of a mother is she?
I don't know. I don't know.
Look, Ahudia is not trying at all. Just 2 days ago, she lost her job. And now, her daughter. Hey! Can you imagine that? Hi. Well.
Uncle,
Get home.
Uncle, I was on my way to your house. Because abomination has happened. Abomination has happened though.
Baby, I don't have time for their useless talk now. You see that we are getting somewhere.
Uncle, this one is not useless. It's a very serious matter. And you have to listen to her. Neodira has sold my child that she told me was a stillbirth to a woman in the city.
Madam, what did you just say?
Yes! I saw her. Hey! That's what she did.
You people will be getting home.
Get home.
Get home.
Yes,
let's see the. Let's go and see the end of this.
We have to see how. She show you where the child was buried.
Well, if you do as you just said, there won't be any problem. After all, the child is dead already and buried. Am I going to eat dead body of a child?
Ichie, don't worry. It will sort it out now. Let me make this call.
Okay.
Hello? Hello, what is your problem? Why are you treating me like this? Why are you like this? I told you last night that I was under pressure. That the owners of that dead child said they want to carry the dead body. Why is it wasting time for you to respond to my request? Why are you putting me under this kind of pressure yourself? Please get back to me immediately. I am waiting now. You see? You know government work with their wahala. If you don't threaten and shout at them like this, they will not do anything.
They better hasten up.
They will do something, don't worry.
Hey.
Oh? Don't worry.
Hey.
I'm not gonna I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
And as soon as I get back to me, I'll get back to you.
If you do as you said, there won't be problem, Sure. You're welcome. Yes. How are you?
I'm fine, Papa.
Oh, yes. Where is your mother?
She's inside.
Okay.
Papa, what did you buy?
Carry this thing inside and bring it. Some of it is for us to enjoy.
Nani, welcome.
My dear.
So, how did it go?
What?
Yes. When I came back, Chioma told me that you and Arudia has gone to dig out Adora's dead child. Is that true? Nani, is that true?
Who has that time? Well, Arudia and I have settled the matter. The baby will remain there. Already it has been buried. Why trouble ourselves?
Mama.
Hey!
Look at all what Papa bought. Papa, where did you get money to buy all this?
Just open it, let us enjoy it. No, she didn't.
Exactly. So she knows what she's talking about. She knows what she's talking about. See, Uncle, do you know the worst part? The woman she's working for in the city as a nanny is the same woman Mama Odira sold the child to.
Yes. Hey! Chimo!
You people go home, Want you to go home. Adora, you should go home. We are going to nail that house. Adora, come. Let's go there. Let's. Hey, it can't happen. Why am I alive? Mbano. Omeme.
Honey, look. I say we should take this child away. Look, don't say I did not warn you. We need to take this child. In fact, we need to fly him abroad. Like, we should take this baby right now to Dubai, Ghana, somewhere just out of this place. Please, baby, let's do this. Please. Please.
Just calm down, okay? Anyone that try anything stupid, I will wipe the person out of the surface of this earth. Look, I actually want to know what gave that girl the guts to lay claim and say that thing she said.
Baby, don't you believe me?
Come on.
Your lovely wedded wife, you don't believe me?
I believe you. I can't just fold my hands and watch things go wrong. That is not possible. Look, that girl cannot just come from the blues and lay claim over my own son. I have to be home today. Let her come with that same person she claimed that woman she talked about. I have to be home today and wait for them.
Baby, look at me. Please. Just take this baby out of here. You don't understand. I don't want anything to hurt this child. This child is my child. I don't want anything to hurt him. Let's leave this place right now. Let's take him out of here. Please.
Honey, he's my son as well. I can't do otherwise. What if we leave and they come here with the police? What are we going to do?
Hey, we have to go. Please. Please, I beg you. Please. Please. I don't want anything to happen to my child.
No, I can't do otherwise. We have to hold on.
Please, I am sorry. I am sorry. Adora, and I saw your baby. I didn't mean it bad. I just wanted to help because I knew you couldn't take care of the baby. But I don't say it. Are you hearing her?
Hey!
Finally, she has said the truth.
Hey! So you sold her baby? Huh? So that was why you gave me money to shut up my mouth.
But Kwensu, it's the devil. It's the devil that tempted me. I sold the child to my friend's daughter that was living in the city. Because you can't take care of the baby. I didn't mean it bad. No one because no one like a predicament. No more. Hey,
Mama, but why did you do that? Why?
Kwensu.
Ekwensu, do you know that you sold my baby?
Huh? How? No, how? Is that Dora's baby? It's not your child.
Well, actually, this is me. The raped her down. of a family is this? Hey! Abomination!
So you sold my own blood. Hey! I'm a quarter to
You did what?
You did what? This is a wicked family.
Sorry, Mama, Lord, that did not tell me.
This is a wicked family.
Wicked.
If you don't want me now to call the whole youth in this village to come and kill you here, eh? If you don't want that, take me to the woman. Show the time.
I will take you first thing tomorrow morning. I will take you put to the city after all. What am involved? But I will go anywhere. I want to job on that. Don't look at me like that. As if they would remove my dog and one can let us also buy no more. Hey, they were ready. We will go.
It's this family
like that. I was on my gun, let it put up on my door.
Hey!
Who do we have here?
Ejike.
So you still know your way here?
Of course I do. How are you?
I'm fine, I'm fine. Welcome.
Yeah.
Let me get a seat for you.
Okay, thank you. Where is your dad?
He's not around. Did you hear about the death of Ngozi?
What is Ngozi? Huh? Who the hell is Ngozi? That girl caused her death herself. Yes, please, I'm not here to talk about Ngozi. I want to talk with you. Let's forget about her, please. She's dead and gone.
Oh. Are you this heartless? She died while removing your own child. Here you are denying her.
Oh, really? Is that what she has been telling people before she died? Listen, let me tell you the gospel truth and nothing but the truth. I was not the one that impregnated her. Yes, I am not, and I will never be responsible for that pregnancy. So are you trying to tell me a well-learned man like me will not use protection while having sex with a girl? No, I am not. Listen, Ngozi before she died had numerous of sugar daddy and boyfriends. She only told me she was pregnant so she can track me down to herself so I can marry her. That's the gospel truth. But she never knew I was so wise and I had to take her out of my house and my life.
Anyway, I believe you. You know, my brother once impregnated her.
Oh.
My brother agreed to marry her. She refused simply because my brother doesn't have money. She aborted the baby. That's why my dad had to lay curse on them.
You see what I'm talking about?
But I'm sorry we have to talk about this. What will I offer you? Don't mind me.
Well, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm very fine. I'm just here to see your dad.
My dad?
Yes.
Why?
Come off it. It's a man-to-man thing, okay?
Really?
I will have to wait for him though if he's not inside.
Thank you.
Yes.
My friend, stop banging on that gate like that. This is not your house. So, how may I help you all?
Now, are you the husband of the woman that stole my daughter's baby? Adora's baby? Are you?
Good man. If you say that again, I will not mind the white hairs on your hair. I will call the police or my gate man to throw you out of my house.
Look at what he...
My daughter, you don't make noise in my house.
Just calm down, Oga. He is her father. It was me. I was the person that sold Adora's baby to your wife. Your wife was never pregnant. Okay. I lied to Adora that she had a stillbirth. That her child died at birth, and I stole the baby and sold to your wife because she will never be pregnant again. Okay. Just to cover up for her.
Are you sure what you just said?
Exactly what I just said now.
Stella! Stella! Madam, can you repeat what you just said?
Atu! Stella, you know now. Tell your husband. We did it together. You came, you said you couldn't be pregnant because of the abortion you did some time ago. And you were never pregnant. You even asked me to give you that injection that would look as if you're pregnant. And I gave it to you, pretended, and I sold Adora's baby to you at birth. I told Adora that her baby died at birth. Tell your husband the truth so that this matter will end. Me too can press. I'm tired.
I want my baby, oh.
Honey, is it true? Hey!
I'm sorry. I wanted to give you a son because I love you. She's my mother's friend. She's a midwife. She helped me arrange everything.
Stella, this young marriage, what were you thinking of?
Okay, fine, I'll confess everything. I'll tell you everything.
Doctor, we don't understand what you're talking about. Can you please tell me what you mean by what you just said to me? Because everything is not correlating. You need to... What are you saying?
Stella, calm down. What I'm saying in essence is you can't conceive any longer. In fact, your womb can't hold sperm anymore. I warned you about this, Stella. I did.
Doctor, you are lying.
Doctor, listen to me. There is this rich man. He is very rich. Like extremely rich. He's asking for my hand in marriage and we need to get married ASAP. I don't understand what you're talking about. What are you saying to me?
Stella, there is nothing anyone can do about this situation. You can't conceive any longer. Your womb can't hold sperm anymore. And I warned you. I did.
No. No. No.
Stella, calm down. Calm down. Okay?
No. Auntie, I called you here because I need your help. You're my mother's friend and she trusts you so much. Auntie, please. I will need a child. Please.
Stella, your marriage is too young for you to begin to look for help everywhere. Why don't you have a little patience?
My womb is leaking.
What?
I cannot have a child of my own. That is why I came to you. Because I think I trust you. Even my own mother does not even know about this. She does not know about my situation. Auntie, please, be cool. I need you to help me. Look, I will pay anything.
So, calm down. So how do you think I can help you? How do I go about it? I don't even know what to do.
Okay, I heard there's an injection they give to women.
What?
That makes their stomach swell. And when is ready for her to have a child, you'll get me a newborn baby. That is the product of the baby.
How do you begin to imagine this? How did this thoughts get into your head? Is it not this head I'm looking at? Okay, now, no problem. How about if your husband finds out?
Auntie, he will never find out. You know why? Because he loves me so much. That man deserves a child. I will give you anything. I will pay you any amount just to make this happen. I promise. I need you to help me.
Don't cry. Just calm down. Let me think. Just don't cry. I think it's beginning to sound interesting. I'm going to help you.
Easy. Keep holding me. I'm sorry. I'm just excited. I'm sorry. Thank you.
I'm going to help you. Like you rightly said, there's an injection.
Yes.
But right now, we don't have that injection. But there's one doctor that has it. It's at Amango. But he wants you to pay him plenty of money.
Money is not the problem. Money is not the problem.
He would like to have a taste of you. It's not easy to
Excuse me?
Okay, no problem. Go and have your child.
He will sleep with me?
Of course, yes. Do you think it's easy to do such things for somebody? It has to go with a prize. Okay, no problem. You can go home.
I'll do it.
When you're talking, I mean, you're so mature. You know what you want. No problem. Right now, we don't have any baby, any woman that is pregnant around. Okay. But I will shop around and see a girl. As soon as I see a girl, I'll call you and you take her from me. Easy.
Thank you so much. You're so lovely. Thank you so much. Hold on. This is just a tip of an iceberg. Just a little.
I'm beginning to love this.
I know. Thank you.
All is well. There's a girl now that is pregnant in this village.
Sorry,
Stella,
I'm so sorry. I'm just
cracking my
excited.
bones. Just take it easy, calm down.
Okay, I'm calm.
No, you have to be coming now. You have to come to see the doctor.
Okay.
You say you must come and see him.
Okay, for the injection?
Yes, for the injection, like we said.
Okay.
He has to be giving it to you every month.
Okay.
Until the due time, but he has to enjoy you again in his office.
Again?
Yes! You started this business already?
Auntie, that doctor has body odor.
Don't worry. Is it the odor you're doing it with? Is it not his thing? Don't worry. Just get what you want. And every other thing is history.
Okay, as long as it's a baby.
Yes, it's going to be a baby, of course. And you have to give you another one as soon as the baby comes, so that you're good. You become number.
Auntie, I'm
Stella, I'm no longer younger. You're squeezing me.
I'm sorry.
Oh, no problem.
The problem is that doctor, his body odor is...
Don't worry, bear it now. You know what you want.
I gotta go.
Come on, compared to a baby.
See you later.
Please, I beg you, please. Please.
No.
I want my child. Biko.
I beg you. You need to tell me that Clinton is not my son.
It's my son.
She's not Doris. He's not Doris. Mother.
Let's go. Give me my child, though.
What they have to bring?
How does she even sleep at night?
Leave my house today. Get out of this house. Completely leave this house today. Come on. I gave you everything. I gave you love. I showed you care. I gave you everything. What did you do in return? I never cheated on you. Get out of my house. Edu!
Madam, okay.
Take this bag out of that. Kick out of this house.
I only did that because I wanted you to have a son.
Get out. Take it out now. Take it out.
I only did that because I knew you wanted a son. I just wanted to give you a son.
You wanted to give me a son? Did I ask to steal someone's son? Did I ask you to steal someone's son?
No, I didn't.
Did I ask you to steal someone's son? Why did I have to bring that shit to? Get out! Follow him! Get out! I don't want to see you! Lock that gate! I said get out! Get out! Get out! Now! Come here! Come here! Real good! I don't want to see that woman in my house again! Else! You miss your job.
You can give me food.
Take this thing out.
The heart of people are wicked. Hey! Neodira tried to separate me from my own child. Neodira! Hey!
It's okay. It's okay.
Aru dear, it will never be well with you. Adora, please, I'm very sorry. Forgive me. Forgive all of us. Please. I failed to take care of you when you needed me most. All of us are guilty. Please. Please.
It's not fair. You should just abandon Adora. She's family now. She's family.
I am so sorry.
If you were there, this wouldn't have happened. Yes.
I found my own child.
Yes.
I have a brother. I have a father.
Yes.
And even if it will take my last blood, I will take care of him to the last.
Mama, you have to repent today. You've done so much evil. Repent, Mama. Hey, you have to repent, Paul.
Mama, let's go. Stop crying. Okay? This is not the end of the world. Even if the whole world rejects us, we cannot reject ourselves. Oh? Ozuka. But as for Adora, she must give me my child. She must give me my child. I cannot allow her take my boy just like that. Oduro possible. Oduro, I must fight for my boy.
Odera, any problem you bring into this family, you will die alone in it. I'm tired of these whole issues. I'm tired though.
It's no problem. It's no problem anything, I beg. I'm fighting for my rights. She cannot just take my boy just like that.
The one you accepted or what?
Is either she gives me my boy or she will get married to me. It's not possible. Oh, you're getting my boy. It's not possible. She must give me my boy.
Odera,
Mama, stop crying. Today. Stop crying.
We are the talk of the town. Yet you still want to go for your child.
Is it not your mother? Is it not your mother that sold my child? She couldn't even ask questions. She went to sell my only child. You want to sell my child? You can't even ask questions. Is that how other midwives used to behave? You just see any son and you sell. Imbecile, you sell. Blind, you sell. Every deaf and dumb, you sell.
No problem. You can go and get your child.
I'll
be here watching.
Well, watch me get my child back now.
Okay.
Follow my son just like that. on our wine. Let me even go and start rehearsing how to fight this for my son.
Steve, I beg you in the name of God. I beg you with everything you believe in. Help me talk to my husband. I beg you. I'm sorry.
What happened?
Steve got the call on me. Ego, please, you need to help me. Ego, you need to help me. I beg you, please.
How do you want me to help you? What you did is wrong.
I know.
I don't know how to help you.
Ego, talk to anyone that can listen to my husband. You've known me since university days. You know me, you're my best friend. You can...
Stella, calm down. Just calm down.
Okay.
You said your mom and your uncle are on their way, right?
Yes, they are, dear.
When they come, they'll talk to your husband.
Okay.
But really, what you did is wrong. Oh. You know Benson loved the child so much. That could cause him an high blood pressure.
I know I messed up. Ego, look at me. I messed up, I know. But I did it because he wanted a child. I did it because I love him. I wanted to give him a child. I wanted him to have an heir. I didn't want him to... Do you understand?
It's okay. Your mom will talk to him. Just calm down. Okay?
Is everything going to be alright?
That one me, I don't know. Just calm down.
Hey! Oh God, who will love me like my husband loves me?
Hey!
See the girl! I be teasing only me be table. I don't know some people with the form scent. Now they once pass me. Now don't I carry a man to a cross. I get my own cross because I want my sugar that one you understand? But no, you once pass me.
They go.
Hey!
I have to stop, okay?
David, stop.
Breathe it!
Benson, let him take it, please. Take it easy, please. Please, it's alright. I mean, this is outrageous. Why the deception?
Tell me, what am I living for? Clinton, my son, is gone. My wife deceived me. Why would she marry me when she knew that she can't give birth? Do you know how much I love my wife? I gave her my heart. I gave her my soul. I gave her everything. Just everything. I rejected numerous girls just to make her happy. She brought a house up to my house and she tried to seduce me. I raised the lamb and I called to her attention. Then my wife did the worst. My wife slept with a common medical doctor just for an injection.
What? Benson, Jesus Christ.
Now tell me, how do you want me to marry her?
Please, Benson, just take it easy. You see, I'm in total support for you not to marry her again. But what I'm saying is that please, do not drink yourself to death.
Tell me, what am I living for?
There are better days ahead.
You tell me, what am I living for?
There are better days ahead, please. Benson, it's okay. Please.
See, what she did was bad. I mean, why would she do this?
What am I living for?
one them. My dear, laugh. Laugh, oh. Hey! Saying your George, laugh at something that is bad. You don't understand, laugh it away. You see, this life, it is my mouth. I can laugh, I can cry, I can do anything. What? Are you witch? Hey, you see, some people, they were thinking that they have arrived. You know, I'm a mother. You're barren. Lemurs. Like dogs. You see? This life, what is okay? Hey! Hey, my dear. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club, Nemo. Dry your tears. Oh?
Lady B.
Eh? Lady C.
Ego, my mother and my uncle, they're at my husband's place. Please, can I drop my bag here? I'll pick it up later.
Hey, please, hang it me. Shove inside your tummy. Yeah, my dear. They police my EFCC. They go arrest you here for stolen babies. You know, let her carry her bag go. They say 11. Carry your thing on your head and be going. Because of Wahada, I'm pitying you, my friend. Yeah, who knows whether there are a lot of stolen babies here? Yeah? You can never say. Ozunwa.
Stella, just calm down. I don't think you can leave your bag here. I want to go out. Just carry them along.
Ego. Even you?
I beg. What's even you? Don't give me that look. I've been patient enough. Carry your bag and go. Carry your bag and go. Carry your bag and go. Carry your bag. See, take this one. Take it. Hold it. This one to hold it. Hold it here. Move it. I give you space. I give you space, my dear. Welcome to this class. Go now, me up my bed. Hey, don't do it here. So you don't for me to go like this. Move it. I will call you very soon. Mona large. Oh, dollars. He will call you now. You got it. Move. People. Hey, you got move. Hey! One young! Very close, danger. Violence in high low places. Move it. Shut the door, Biko. One. What are you doing? All the way really. Gaba. Make you look front. Your type is not here. I have Ozuma. Rubbish. Shameless idiots. Don't forget. Yeah. Baby. Ozumwa. Lady C. That's fine. Hey!
You're too hot. Mind you, I need to go, I want to go and cook for Benson. A good man deserves a good food.
Do you know what, like, that good man deserves a good food? Very wonderful. Hey, let's go, my dear. Hey, baby. I'm a mother. I'm married. Go to hell. There are barrenness in high places. In fact, high and low places. Barrenness everywhere. Honestly, barren.
Please. I have nothing else to say. But I just want you to forgive her, please, Biko. Please.
Stella, first was the reason you refused to breastfeed that child.
You see?
Here!
You see?
The reason you did that!
Thank God. Hey! My grandson. My grandchild. Help! God, I thank you.
Eh? Indo? Hey, love for grandmama now. Eh?
Take it.
Stella! Milk! Why not breastfeed him?
Mama, I am tired. I'll do that later. Eh? Meanwhile, I'm not into this exclusive thing. Just give him the drink. Give him.
But that's okay. You guys should start coming right now, okay? Oh yeah, there's enough to eat and enough to drink. I can't wait for you guys to get here. Alright. I am a proud father. You know, I am happy to be a father, you know. Alright, expecting you guys.
Oga, the drinks are here. At the backyard.
Alright, put them in the freezer, okay? Then go to Madam Social's place. Tell her to give you a cola of that I ordered for.
Right away, sir.
Baby, you don't want to wait.
Honey, there's no time to wait. My friends are on their way coming. Okay? As a matter of fact, no sleeping tonight. We'll have to party all through the night, honey. Sister, I want to thank you for making me proud father.
Baby, you want us to party tonight?
All through the night.
But the baby won't sleep.
Stella! Mommy? What are you doing?
Mother, I am feeding the child. I am giving him milk to drink. Mother, I told you I'm not into this exclusive thing. I am not into it. If a child wants to be intelligent, he will be intelligent. Be it breast milk or milk.
Will you shut your dirty mouth? Shut it up at once. What are you thinking? My wife and I make it. Mother. Where are you taking this thing to? No, you just hold on. Stella, you suckled on this breast, so you must breastfeed your child.
Mother, I do not want my breast to sag. Oh yes, I am feeding my child. He is my child. As you can see, he's so happy. He's rushing the milk, Mother. He likes it.
Now listen to me. Listen very well. You see these things on your chest? They will sag. Yes. It is nature and it will take its course. They will sag, Stella. Whether you like it or not, if you like, use marine rope to tie it to your neck. When the time comes, it will sag.
Mother! Please! This is my child, not your child. Please! He's my child.
Could you just shut up, please?
I don't want to be disrespectful, Mother. I'm sorry. But my child wants milk. He's drinking milk. He's healthy. Look at him. Cutie. My baby. Where's my husband, Mother?
Your husband is in the sitting room.
Okay, Mother, please, can you get our son water to drink?
Stella, you are getting on my nerves, and I don't like it. I breastfed you, and you must breastfeed this child because a child that is being breastfed is a well-fed child and a healthy child.
Mother, the child needs water to drink. Thank you, Mother.
Can I talk to
you? Mama, is there any problem?
Yes. It's about your wife. Please, I want you to call her and ask her why she's not giving this child breast milk.
Mama, are you trying to say that my wife is not breastfeeding the baby?
Of course, yes, she's not. And I'm not happy about it.
Mama, how is that your business? Mama, how is that your business? Why are you reporting it to my husband? Is it your breast? Mama, is it your breast? The child is just your grandchild. The child is ours. I can choose if I want to breastfeed the child or not. Mama, please. Oh, Mama, it seems like you want to go back to the village. I will call Oku. I will call Oku. Ha!
Will you shut your dirty mouth there? Shut it up. You're ranting. You're hitting your breast before me. You suckled from this breast, so you must breastfeed my grandchild, whether you like it or not.
Mama, the breast is mine to handle. I don't want it to sag. No, I do not. The child is your grandchild, like I said. It is our child. We choose to take the child anyhow we want to... Mama, please, mind your business. I don't want to be disrespectful. Mama, please, mind your business. In fact, tomorrow morning, you're going back to the village.
Hey!
Because you will not come here and stress me. You will not stress me, Mama.
The breast will sag. Now listen, let me tell you. Whether you like it or not, this breast will surely sag. It's sure they will sag before the end of this month. Yes! Oh, it looks as if you are the one advising her. Let me warn you now. Listen, listen. This one you are raising up and you are shaking it. Eh? Stella, you suckled from my own. So my grandchild will suck your breast.
Mama, leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone. Okay, leave me alone, please.
Mama, I am sorry the way she talked to you.
So you heard her?
As a matter of fact, she's my wife, and I love her. See, she's the owner of the house. Whatever she wants to do, come on, let her feel free and do whatever she wants to do. You see, I have money. I have enough money. So if I want to buy 100 cartons of baby milk, I can afford to buy it. She said that this is 21st century, that she doesn't want her breast to sag. So be it, Mama. So be it. I don't want you to bother yourself with that.
Hey! So be it.
Please, my son, please. I beg you. I beg you. I am begging you, please. Forgive her. Biko.
Mama. Uncle.
My son.
Sinubempo. Both of you should get out of my house.
Please, let's settle this
matter. Don't come close. Don't come close.
Thank you. My son, please, let's settle this matter. Please.
There is nothing to settle in this. This marriage is over. Go tell that to the bishop. You and I made an oath before the priest that will be truthful to each other. But what did you do to me? You lied to me. No, tell me, Stella, you lied to me. You destroyed your womb. The series of abortion you committed in school. You maybe selfie Maggie. Mama, her womb is leaking.
What? My daughter's womb leaking? Hey! Stella!
Don't even come close. It's me. Go and ask your friend Arodia. She's involved in all this mess. She will tell you better. All of you should leave my house.
Please help me talk to my husband. Honey.
If you try it, I can't do metal.
Please, I beg you. Please. I beg you, please.
See yourself. You see what you have brought to yourself. You see yourself. You see yourself.
Please, I'm sorry.
Adora, I am sorry. I know if I had told you that I would be coming, you wouldn't have allowed it. What happened wasn't my fault, and it's not yours either. We were just victims of circumstances. I came to see my son, Clinton.
His name is not Clinton. It's Augustine. He's not climbing trees. Okay, can we just go in, please?
It's okay. If you've changed his name to Augustine, who am I to say no? He's your son. You see, I am here to make you an offer. I want to take you and the baby to the city. Don't be scared. My wife is no longer living with me. I have sent her packing. I want to give the child the best of education. I want him to be close to basic amenities. I want to change his life, and I want you to come with me, please.
This long message. Ella, you're the one I know.
Go right here. Adora, please. He's a good man. Trust me. He's ready to take care of you and...
So, can I? Thank you.
I do not wish to suffer. I do not wish to die. I do not wish to cry. But I wish to be happy. I wish to have my family. I wish to go out of these tears. I wish to have my own child, living another day. The life of an orphan, living in sorrow every day. I wish to be happy. I wish to be happy. This wicked world I'm living, I'm living all alone. No father or mother, no brother or sister. I wish to have my family. I wish to go out of these tears. I wish to have my own child, living another day. The life of an orphan, living in sorrow every day. I wish to be happy. I wish to be smiling.